Hi guys, I'm going to be showing you how I make my whipped shea butter moisturizing cream. If you are interested, please keep on watching. If you're new to my channel, my name is Esther and I'm interested in all things DIY, natural hair and skincare. So if this is something that interests you, please keep on watching. So what is shea butter? Shea butter comes from the nuts of the shea tree. It has so many vitamins, especially vitamin A and E. But why I use this, it's very helpful in treating conditions like eczema, dermatitis, and psoriasis. So let's get started. What do you need? You need your shea butter. I'm using organic coconut oil. I'm also using vitamin E oil, lavender oil, and avocado oil. So here I have my organic shea butter. It's been cut up. My organic coconut oil, vitamin E oil, avocado oil, and also lavender oil. But feel free to use whatever oils that you would like. So all you do is just melt your shea butter and coconut oil using the double boiler method. So you basically put it in a pot on low heat until it melts down. Once everything melts down, start adding the rest of your oils. I'm adding my avocado oil. I used about 2 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon of my vitamin E oil, and everything will be in the description box with my measurements. So I just mixed everything until it was well blended, put a film wrap, and then put it in the freezer. So I kept mine in the freezer for about 20 minutes. Don't leave it in the freezer too long because it gets really hard and difficult to mix. So 20-25 minutes max. So here I'm just blending everything. I'm putting my essential oils, my lavender oil at this time. So in all, I whipped it for about 5 to 7 minutes until I got the texture I was looking for. Of course, I was looking for something on the lighter side. If you want a thicker mixture, then just add more shea butter. So now I'm just putting my mixture in my Ziploc bag. I'm going to use this like a piping bag. So I just put everything in and then I seal the bag, and then I'm going to cut a hole at the pointy part of the bag so I can put the mixture into my containers. So I have 2 containers, but I only ended up using 1 container. This filled about a 10-ounce jar. So of course, if you use smaller jars, then you'll have more. But this was just for myself. So I put everything in my container. And I think I was pretty happy with how it came out. It's not too thick. So go on and try it out. It's really easy to make. You can switch it out, use whatever lavender oil, essential oils you like, or whatever combination. But basically, you definitely need the coconut oil shea butter. So this is me just showing you how it looks on my skin. I tell you guys, it is so soothing, especially if you have dry skin, eczema or psoriasis. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. Go on and try it out. Let me know what you think, how yours turned out. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll be more than happy to answer any questions you might have. This is a cheap DIY to try. It's not expensive. Just use the best ingredients possible. So if you like this video, please comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you on my next one. Take care and be well.